First in our news, only one case against presidential candidate Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. remains pending with the Commission on Elections after the First Division unanimously voted to junk the consolidated case against the former senator on Thursday. Take a look. The consolidated petitions of Ilagan v. Marcos Jr. versus Marcos Jr., Akbayan versus Marcos Jr., and Manjelen versus Marcos Jr. have been dismissed for lack of merit, according to COMELEC spokesperson James Jimenez in a post on his Twitter account. In the decision penned by Commissioner Aimee P. Ferolino and signed by COMELEC Commissioner Marlon Caquejo, the First Division said the petitioners failed to prove that the Court of Appeals penalized Marcos with perpetual disqualification from public office for his several counts of tax violation. It also said the consolidated case didn't show any proof that Marcos was convicted for a crime involving moral turpitude, citing the Supreme Court ruling on the case of Philippines versus Ferdinand Marcos and Imelda Marcos. The First Division said, "We see no illegal infirmity in adopting the said dictum in the hopes of finally putting the issue on moral turpitude to rest." In his separate opinion on the case, Caquejo defended the validity of their decision. Caquejo said, quote, "The Commission is confronted with legal issues subject to strong public scrutiny. But no matter how unpopular our findings and appreciation of facts and the law is, we must remain unperturbed and apply the law as it is." Following the decision of the COMELEC First Division on the consolidated case, only the case filed by Pudno nga Ilocano against Marcos is left of the 7 original cases seeking to remove the former lawmaker from the 2022 presidential race. The Second Division earlier junked the petition of Danilo Lihay-Lihay to have Marcos declared as a nuisance candidate, and the petition of Christian Buenafe and others, as well as that of Tiburcio Villamor to have the former senator's COC cancelled.